Well, that didn't go to plan, did it? Look, whilst we're stuck here, I may as well show you what I'm going to hook up to on the front of the Hilux. It's a couple of rated recovery points. Come on, I'll show you what I'm on about. Got my rated bow shackle. Okay, so I've hooked that up to the rated recovery point. They have designed this with a laboratory to make sure that when it's bolted to your chassis rail with rated bolts, it's going to be strong enough to recover your vehicle safely. Because I'm so bogged, I'm actually going to use both the recovery points because that's safer again. Righto, I'll be back in 5 secs. Right, first thing we're not going to do, we're going to pull that pin out. We're never ever going to recover off our toe balls. Bad, bad news. Might have broken the rear tail light there. Right, what we're going to use, one of these bad boys. Where is it? Let me show you something. So on here it says WLL, 5,000 kilos. That baby there's been made to recover your vehicles. It is a strong ass that's actually been tested for the job. So what we're going to do, shove that up in there, by the hole, there she goes. Notice I've got a rated bow shackle on there, always use rated equipment. Right, there you go. That's how you hook up to the rear four-wheel drive. Right. We've made sure that we've got correctly rated recovery points and we've got high tensile bolts, okay? Make sure you do your recovery safe. Just take the time to plan them out and do them right. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails. Right, gee-ho, let's go. Righto, off we go.